There's major rule changes coming for Top 1 Futures. I want to talk to you about it in this video. I have been trading with Top 1 Futures since their launch. This is my second account with them. I am up $5,100 almost here. So I'm very close to another payout. I need like $1,100. It's by far the easiest firm to take a payout on. And I think that's probably why they are changing the rules. It was just too low. And Matt and Clay, the guys that run the firm, are all about sustainability. So when I saw this email come through, I wasn't surprised. They've had over 10,000 people join the firm. They've paid out almost $1 million in 3 weeks. The customer support has been incredible. Everyone's saying that. So to hear that they're putting in a profit target between payouts, it doesn't surprise me. Every other firm basically has this. And to see that they have a payout cap per account, that doesn't really surprise me either. I would rather be with a company that would be honest and upfront about it and make the changes to stay in business rather than lay low, not come up, and be forward with it and then let a big problem happen. So for me, this is a non-deal. Like, this is not a big deal. Every firm. Remember when TradeZella launched and they changed rules? I think 2 months into launch, Top Step has changed rules more times than I can even count. Every single firm has. Take Profit Trader has changed rules. Apex recently changed rules. So you either adapt or you die. People will judge you as a business for adapting, and they'll say, oh, they're changing because of this. Even if the company like Matt came out and said it's for sustainability, and somehow people will still talk negative to that when it's like, what do you want them to do? Wait till they go out of business and then be like, yep, we went out of business. No. So back to my account here. I'm very close to a payout. I'm looking forward to taking the payout. I want to see how fast it is myself. The trade today, we used Bookmap to guide the way higher here. So you can see through this photo, we were long at 54.11. That was the long entry price we called on stream. I was out of the trade at 54.30. That happens right as we take New York VWAP here. 54.11 is that entry price. So we break above New York VWAP, stop is at opening range low. That entry comes at 9:38 in the morning. So if we look at the book map at 9:38 in the morning, that's right here. Above us, we had orders at 54.15. Those got filled with buying volume. We had orders up here at 25. Those got filled with buying volume. And then the big block up here, that was at 54.30. That was where we got out of the trade. That also got filled with buying volume, which is why the market trended way higher today and has reached 54.15. So from my entry at 54.11, we've gone from here all the way to here, which is funny because when I took the trade, I was like, oh man, I'm a little high on my entry price. So I caught 20 something points out of the move, just about 20 points, 18 points. The entire move is 103, everybody. So I talk to you all the time about not catching the entire move. This is what I'm talking about. There was money long all day. The scalps that I had were longs as we moved higher. We teach in Futures 101 how to do handoffs. That handoff today didn't really help us, as you can see. But what we also teach is high of day VWAP breaks. So if we throw on a high of day VWAP here at 11:30, you can see there are long opportunities here as we break above with a stop here as we accelerate above with a stop here or here. And then that continues even later in the day. Longs here as we break this high of day VWAP, longs here, stop at structure, holds, and that pushes you higher into the end of the day. So not only did Bookmap feed that long move today, but the structure did as well. I mean, where's a lower low? Literally just ripped higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, like literally just an unbelievable rip. So days like this, Bookmap really comes into play. That's where you can see where you should be trading to. Look at how there's no orders underneath here. So for me, it was very easy to look to be long into that 54.30 and through the rest of the day. So I'm hoping to take this payout maybe this week, maybe tomorrow, if tomorrow goes well, if not before the end of the month for sure. And that'll be my first Top 1 Futures payout, which is exciting. So there are some rule changes, as we talked about, payout caps and profit targets between payouts, but they're still aggressive on the profit targets between payouts. I think it's easier than most other firms, but you guys will have to try for yourself and let me know what you think. There's discount links to your favorite prop firms with the link in my bio. So check it out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on stream tomorrow morning.